Hello, in this video I reviewed MAXIFY GX series multifunctional printer and show the following. I fill up the ink tanks and set up the printer in the video in the upper right corner. These are 2025 GX models. In some regions, the printer-only model GX6100 may not be available. Anyway, in different regions or countries, models have different names, which I display in the online manuals. There are the following three differences between the two multifunctionals. In this video, I use GX6140 model. From the web specs, the auto two-sided print is supported and print speeds are the same. Scanner and copy speeds are the same as before. First print output time is also very fast. The ink bottles capacities are the same. Anyway, the print quality is improved. So much to comment about specs. For the review of the predecessor model, see the video in the upper right corner. In physical features, there are basically no changes. As specs suggest, no change in dimensions. Also, the ink bottles are the same, anyway, with shape at the top of the bottle being different for different colors to prevent misfill of the subtanks. There is double hole, so the air goes up and the ink flows down. Every ink tank also has ink sensor for correct ink detection. Paper capacity is same with paper cassette with small window to visually check the paper status, while rear tray can be used for additional media capacity or different media size or type and supports up to 1.2 meter long media. Let's print a test print. Pigment water-resistant inks is one of the business features on the GX. Find my video on business features of MAXIFY GX series in the upper right corner. From the app you can access all device settings including maintenance. These models have additional consumable as maintenance cartridge, so no regular inkjet printer servicing is needed, because it can be replaced by user. Find my full maintenance video on GX models in the upper right corner. Before I show what is new on the new model, let's test the ADF and duplex copy speed to compare with other printers that I have tested on my channel. I copy using ADF using one-sided originals and set 3 copies to print with auto duplex. This method combines document feeder speed with scanning speed and two-sided auto duplex. Find the link to my playlist of MAXIFY GX series videos in the description below. Next, I repeat the same only in color. to have home, back, and then color and mono start buttons. It's a great user-friendly feature. I can easily repeat the same job in color just by pressing color start button. So here is the result for this device in comparison with smaller GX6140, which was fastest in my detailed comparison test of office inkjet printers. Find my detailed video in the upper right corner of the screen. Finally, in the last part, let's see which small upgrades are available in new generation. Image quality is slightly improved. 5mm margin is now aligned when printing duplex. And barcode mode printing has been added for more accuracy when printing barcodes. Now the packaging is sustainable with molded paper. So after unboxing, the waste is only paper. There are small design changes, like the color of the extended paper tray, which changed from black to transparent. Ink tanks window are a little bit slimmer. There is change for connectivity and security. The connectivity for Wi-Fi networks is more stable and security ticks all the boxes. There are few changes about the apps. The master setup for software installation has been updated to be more user-friendly. Finally, here is user interface update, and icon graphics are aligned with Canon Print App latest update, and also other Canon printers launched lately. To compare with MAXIFY GX series, find my review on MF660 series in the upper right corner, and that would be all in this video. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like or subscribe, as it helps me to grow the channel and create more content about printers. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.